Hello everyone, welcome back to SG Automation. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make a blinking LED by using 555 timer. Using 555 timer we can make a lot of circuits and we will do that in our channel. And the components required for today's project is 9 volts battery and a 555 timer and all the listed components as shown in figure. And today we'll use breadboard for making the circuit. I would like to explain about breadboard first. The columns are interconnected and these rows are interconnected and the bottom columns are interconnected and the bottom rows are interconnected. Let us start the connections. We have to place the IC like this. Any IC we have to keep in breadboard like this only. I am connecting the ceramic capacitor between pin number 5 and ground. Connecting pin number 1 to the ground. Ten microfarads capacitor between pin number 2 and the ground. The longer lead is positive and shorter lead is negative. Connect the 10K resistor between pin number 6 and 7 and interconnect pin number 2 and 6. Connect 1K resistor between pin number 7 and 8. Connecting pin number 4 and 8 together, both should be given power supply. Take the output from pin number 3 and connect the resistor and LED. Now let us give the power supply. Here I am using 9 volts battery. You may use 5 volts mobile charger as well. Voltage doesn't make any difference in timing. Yes, the LED is blinking and the LED is blinking very fast. Now we'll calculate how many times it is blinking. By seeing it is very difficult to tell how many times it is blinking. So let us calculate the timing. The formula is 0.693 R1 plus 2R2 into C. The entire timing is depends on R1 and R2 and C. So the total time duration is 145.5 milliseconds. That means on and off both time duration. That means the LED is blinking 7 times per second. That's very faster. Let us increase the timing so that number of times the LED blinks will come down. I am using 33 kilo ohms resistor in place of 10 kilo ohm resistor, that is R2, so that the timing will increase. See, the number of times the LED is blinking has come down. We'll calculate the timing. The T has come approximately 0.5 seconds. That means the LED is blinking 2 times per second. We can add one more LED such a way that when this LED glows, other LED switches off. When other LED glows, this LED switches off. That we'll do by connecting the LED as shown in figure. In this configuration, when the output of 555 is high, one LED glows. When the output is low, other LED glows. Here we can increase the number of LEDs and we can make decorative lights as well. We can use a potentiometer in place of R2 so that you can vary the timing by varying the potentiometer. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like and share.